Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 811 801 255 73730
Ka lumpong ilek ka juki kena skol ya kablatip kum ka Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2023 arhajar arpulai. Ka balong lais ngilenter bat kaban sakut no ha ka arpu pratri uyayong arhajar arpulai ya ka bala penyat da ka office jong District Sports Officer West Jaiñtia Hills District. Kelas Sdang ha ka arpun riutri uyayong arhajar arpulai ha madan kyang nang ba stadium. Hakini kenti kidon hadu pras pa kendai pesan wat kinoi lekai ki pelawan management na ki live weight league school. Ki kerdan ya khun hakini ka lempung ki kentop ya ka under 14, under 16 but under 18. Ya kani ka lempung lekai la pli perda da ka District School Education Officer jang ka West Jaiñtia Hills District ka kong APCM ka belalongum ka kongsan haringkat ka jinga don lang jong u District Sports Officer uba crew bok pasa nalor kinoyalam bat kidikot jong ka West Jaiñtia Hills District Sports Association. Ha news nam nakaliang jong ka office u DSO kalawan ra ru ya ka jinge mare ka belatip kum ka medley relay ka balapen Sdang menta usnam hapo ka lempung ilekai.
Respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, without the use of doping and drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sport and the honor of our school. Thank you.
This is a platform where the students can express and showcase their talents and their skills, which will ultimately one day lead them to be sports person in the state and also, I believe, in the national level. So I would like to extend my encouragement to all the students, to all the participants and to all the schools to carry on and to pursue your dreams and to pursue the skills that you have, the talents that you have, so that one day you will be able to set an example to the others. For you are the future, not only of the district, but also of the state and the nation.